Hello guys, good morning. In this video we're gonna make a full eternity ring, but we're gonna make it in a slightly more complex way than usual. I think it's better, but well, let's start. Saizan. I will make other videos showing how to make different kinds of half eternity rings and full eternity rings. This is just one design, one option, okay? So yeah, finger size, gems, let's say we're gonna make it with rounds. Let's say quite big, let's say 2.5. And before I move it up, I'm gonna get the finger size, and what I do is I make an offset, and I'm gonna make it 2.5. Sorry, 2.5. This is like a reference for me. That's like what I would consider the maximum. I would say if you make a ring wider than that, it's gonna be a bit uncomfortable. 2.5 is already a bit big, but it kind of works. Okay. Something like that, just like a reference, okay? I don't need it anymore. So as you can see, I position the stone where that curve is, so it's like the maximum. Select the stone, and I'm gonna try to use this, the under bezel. Okay, I would say I'm gonna try because sometimes if the stone is quite small, it just doesn't work. So you need to do it manually. Okay, let me just do it now using the tools on Matrix. But if it doesn't work, I mean, I will do it anyway. Okay, I'll do it manually. Okay, that's the easy way to do it, by using the tools on Matrix. But the other way to do it, it's basically the same. It's just that if you want to make this exercise with smaller stones, you might have some problems. Okay, I mean technical problems with the software. So how do you do it? So you basically draw the profile yourself. So let's say 0.5 that way. Let's make it like that, for example. The line is straight on. Just even if it goes inside the finger rail, doesn't really matter. And here just make it 0.8, for example. Something like that would work. Now just make sure, you see, that it's going a bit on the outside. To join these lines, so I have a close curve. Okay, this is how we used to do it before Matrix, or before any other jewelry software. When everything was made in Rhino, we had to do it like that. Anyway, so we have a profile, and now we will create the bezel. So we just have to go to surfaces and revolve. Start of revolve axis. I'm on the through finger view, so 0 enter. Shift up. Start angle 0 and revolution angle 360. That's it. I just have to chop it off with a Boolean difference, and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna use this even if it's not made in Matrix, doesn't really matter. And now I'm gonna chop it off. So I'm gonna use the finger rail, and I'm gonna make an offset 0.8. Okay, and now I'm gonna get this line. So I'm gonna make a line here. To be honest, to do it better, let's start it with there, from there, and I move it to the left. And now I can offset that line another 0.8. Okay, so basically what I wanted is this. Okay, you see it in wireframe, and now I just have to make some lines. You can hide this on this if you want, and using trim, chop this off. Okay, I join it again because I just want to do this. I want to go to solid, create a solid so I can cut it with a Boolean difference. Okay, delete this. Okay, can show the stones again. And now we just have to make a polar array. Polar array, it's on transform, array polar, center of polar array 0 enter, and it's 27. You got me, because I tried this exercise before, and mount it fits its loop 27. Sorry, my fault. It's 26. Okay, 26. It's a bit too close, but should be fine. Okay, looked a bit chunky, but it's gonna be right. And then the close. As you can see, we're gonna position the close in that middle. Okay. What I would do in this case, before starting positioning the close, is to draw a little line from the end of the stones, and then I move everything, sorry, I select everything, and rotate from 0 enter, and now the first reference point is going to be the middle of that line. Okay. I'm basically doing this because now it's going to be easier for me to draw the claw. Okay, I haven't changed anything, I just moved it. Okay, I'm going to try to make one claw to share the stones. Okay. So I just draw a line, and the only key thing is how to position the line properly. I'm gonna open it a little bit, and now by using control points I'm going to open it slightly to the sides. Let's see how that looks. Pipe it's on solid, here, pipe. Okay, pipe. Be careful because sometimes could be radius by default. Make sure you get diameter. Well, you can actually set the dimension by radius, but it's a bit uncomfortable. Let's try 0.9. That looks quite good to me. Okay. You could actually open it a little bit more to the outside. Yeah, okay, I like that. Okay, so now we just have to get the finger size again, extrude, and Boolean difference. Now, make a mirror copy from 0 enter to that side, and now we just have to make another polar array. Here. Polar array 0 enter 26 because it keeps the last number that we use, the last data. So enter, and that's it. The only thing left is going to be to boolean everything in one single file. So I'm going to hide the stones, and now I need to join all that. Right. What could happen? Some things could go wrong. We have many things going at the same level. But let's try to boolean everything together in one go using the normal boolean. Select everything and enter. We'll probably fail. It has like quite a lot of objects to join together. Oh, and it worked. Okay, let's imagine that it doesn't work, okay? I would have liked this to go wrong, but it went well. Going backwards, okay? These are the normal booleans, the ones that we usually use, the easy ones, let's say. But then if you go to tools, here, boolean builder, I call this the boolean for adults. There's no porn involved or anything like that, but it's just that they are stronger, they are better, okay? So basically, what I would do is just select everything. So I'm starting again because I did something there. Boolean for adults. Okay, select everything except 1 and you put it in the first box, and then select that last one and put it on the second one. As you can see, here we have the option 1 by 1 and force boolean. I don't know the technical details of this, but basically it works better than the other one. Okay, so if the normal booleans don't work, try this one. And then if this one don't work, there are other options. Boolean operations, they are a bit tricky at the beginning, but once you know why, or once you know your little tricks, then they're not a problem at all. Okay, now it's joining everything. And that's it. We have one object. Okay. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will make another fully Eternity ring, another different style, made it another way. Have a good day.